Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sunchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 17th tutorial of probability, chapter 15 of standard 9th. In last session, we discussed about sum 4 from exercise 15.1. In this session, we will discuss about sum 5th. So, don't waste the time starting the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, exercise 15.1, and in that fifth sum. So starting with the first basic formula, its probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. Its fifth sum, an organization selected 2,400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. Means total families over here 2,400. So total outcomes 2,400. The information gathered is listed in the table. Means for the possible outcomes you should refer this table, right? Suppose a family chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is. First question, earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month. 10,000 to 13,000 per month and exactly 2 vehicles. At the time, yes, possible outcome is 29. Second, earning rupees 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. 16,000, yes, or more and exactly 1 vehicle. At the time, possible outcome is 579. Third, earning that 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. 7,000 per month and no any vehicle. Over here, possible outcome is 0. Now, fourth, earning 13,000 to 16,000. 13,000 to 16,000 and owning 2 vehicles. At the time, yes, more than 2 means 25 and owning not more than 1 vehicle. Here we didn't get any income, so we can include these all numbers as well as this. Because of not more than 1 means we can add 0 as well as 1 vehicle, right? So starting with the answer, total families 2,400, total outcomes 2,400. Possible outcomes 4, first one earning 10,000 to 13,000 and 2 vehicles equals to 29. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 29 divided by 2,400. Now second one, earning 16,000 or more and 1 vehicle. At that time, answer is 579. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 579 divided by 2,400. Now third one, earning 7,000 and no any vehicle. So at the time, answer is 0 means possible outcomes is 0. Ultimately, probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 0 divided by 2,400 equals to 0. Now fourth, earning 13,000 to 16,000 and more than 2 vehicles. More than 2 vehicles, over here answer is 25. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 25 divided by 2,400. Now fifth, not more than 1 vehicle. At the time, we can include all these numbers because 0 vehicles as well as 1 vehicle. Not more than 1 means we can add 0 as well as 1, all the. So 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579 equals to 2,062. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 2,062 divided by 2,400. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye-bye.